Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a hobbyist, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional designer, 3D printing has become an incredible tool for bringing ideas to life. Today, I'm going to share my top 5 picks for the best 3D printers available on Amazon right now. We'll go through each product one by one, covering their pros, cons, and why you should consider buying them. So, let's get started. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V2. Host. First up is the Creality Ender 3 V2. This is one of the most popular 3D printers on the market, especially for beginners. Pros. Affordable price point for its features and build quality. Easy assembly, mostly pre-assembled with clear instructions. Upgraded silent motherboard and improved print bed adhesion. Cons. Manual bed leveling can be tricky for first-time users. Smaller build volume compared to higher-end models. Why you should buy it. If you're new to 3D printing and want an affordable yet reliable printer that delivers great results, the Creality Ender 3 V2 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for hobbyists and beginners who want to learn and experiment. Number 2. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. Host. Next, we have the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. This is a premium option known for its reliability and precision. Pros. High-quality prints with minimal calibration required. Automatic mesh bed leveling for hassle-free setup. Wide range of compatible materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG. Cons. Expensive compared to budget-friendly models. Assembly required if purchasing the kit version. Why you should buy it. If you're looking for a professional-grade 3D printer with consistent performance and advanced features, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is worth the investment. It's perfect for designers, engineers, and serious hobbyists. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra Max. Host. Now, let's talk about the Anycubic Cobra Max. This is a large-format 3D printer designed for bigger projects. Pros. Massive build volume, great for printing large objects in one piece. LeviQ automatic bed leveling system for easy setup. Direct extruder design for better filament control and print quality. Cons. Takes up more space due to its size. Heavier than compact models, making it less portable. Why you should buy it. If you need a 3D printer that can handle large-scale projects without compromising on quality, the Anycubic Cobra Max is a great pick. It's perfect for creators who work on big prototypes or models. Number 4. FlashForge Finder. Host. Fourth on our list is the FlashForge Finder. This is a beginner-friendly 3D printer with a sleek design. Pros. Fully enclosed design ensures safety and reduces noise. User-friendly touchscreen interface for easy operation. Compact and lightweight, making it ideal for small spaces. Cons. Smaller build volume limits the size of printable objects. Limited to basic materials like PLA, no support for advanced filaments. Why you should buy it. If you're a beginner or someone with limited space who wants a simple and safe 3D printer, the FlashForge Finder is a solid choice. It's perfect for kids, schools, and casual users. Number 5. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Host. Last but not least, we have the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. This is a high-end, cutting-edge 3D printer for professionals. Pros. Ultra-fast printing speeds with exceptional precision. AI-powered error detection and automatic material switching. Multi-material compatibility for complex projects. Cons. Very expensive, out of reach for most hobbyists. Overkill for casual users or small projects. Why you should buy it. If you're a professional or advanced user who needs speed, precision, and versatility, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is unmatched. It's perfect for businesses and creators working on intricate designs and prototypes. Host. And there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best 3D printers available right now. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, these options have got you covered. Which one are you planning to add to your workspace? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.